2. My name is Fikri. 3 was to trace an air conditioner in avoiding Diseanse. When you use home air conditioner, do not forget to take care of an regular basis because when I see notes treat it regular and airfully, it will have a bad air and becomes a place to speed the daisy. This dirty icy and store I very hope finish and bacteria that continuously spread towards the room. It also enter into the smell of the inhabitants. As a result, the occupant will experience pain or repeat infection. The following trim and below salt you do in order to make AC work optimally and driver. Do not forget to turn off the AC. When traveling or in space, this is not option. Do not forget to turn off AC. If the air is not too hot, try to shut down about 1 or 2 hours a day. If necessary, use remainder of timer customized in the AC facility with the air conditioner in turn off. Open the windows and door windows so that there is an air exchange. Clean the AC regular. Check the filter. Convenience on the air conditioning at last once month. A dirty air filter will hinder the air circulation and being a comfortable place of greens, bacteria and fungi. Bacteria are what will flow the evaporator coil and then speed back across the room. The dirty as components car affect the performance of the cooling system homes more severe. So it does not produce the maximum cold and wasteful.